What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. We have an 8K to talk about from GameStop. Let's go ahead and take a look. Investors. Investors. That is us. We are investors. No. SEC filings. 8K, October 29th. Report of unscheduled material events or corporate event. Oh, no. Oh, no. What is this? What is this? On October 28th, 2021, GameStop, the company, and Jenna Owens, Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer, entered into a separation and release agreement. The separation agreement. The separation agreement provides for Mrs. Owens' departure from the company effective October 25th, 2021, as the company's Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer. The responsibilities associated with the position are being absorbed by other members of the company management team. Ms. Owens is entitled to the following severance benefits in accordance with her existing letter agreement with the company: 6 months base pay, an amount equal to the applicable premiums for COBRA continuation coverage for 6 months, and the remaining portion of her sign-on bonus. Ms. Owens' letter agreement with the company was previously filed as Exhibit 10.1 to the company's current report on Form 8K, filed with the SEC on March 23rd, 2021. Interesting. So I guess Jenna Owens, Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer, has left the company because of this separation agreement, I guess. Interesting shit. Just wanted to bring that to your attention. That is out.